Good afternoon, tutor and classmates. My name is Sandra Caro. I'm from Madrid, Cundinamarca. I'm studying Logistic Industrial in UNAP. I'm in the third semester. I live with my children, Gabriela, who is 17 years old, and Sergio, who is 15 years old. 2 years ago, we went on vacation to a town near Bogota called La Vega. There is a lake called El Tabacal, where there is a beautiful landscape with flora and fauna, typical of the region. You can also feed the fish and walk around from the lake. There are many destinations to schedule the next vacation, but we would like to visit Tayrona Park in Santa Marta for its warm climate and its beautiful landscape and the places to know. In addition to the indigenous tribe that is there, they are very beautiful and hospitable. Thank you.